Hi, today, I will attempt to repair a Parker brand chainsaw that is experiencing low compression. My first step is to remove the brake assembly. I'm starting on the exhaust side, so I can confirm the issue by removing the two 8mm nuts and the exhaust plate. Then I proceed to remove the two bolts that secure the exhaust. After removing it, I inspect the gasket side and the gasket itself, but I don't notice anything concerning. Upon closer examination of the piston, I discover significant scoring on the piston head. While this may be discouraging for some, I remain optimistic. Next, I need to separate the top handle from the body. By undoing 2 screws on the side and 2 on the bottom, the handle comes away. I then release the 2 clips securing the top cover and set them aside. Undoing the butterfly nut, I easily remove the air filter. Moving forward, I disconnect the coil pack from the spark plug and use a spark plug tool to remove it. It doesn't appear too dirty, making me wonder if the customer cleaned it while attempting to start the chainsaw. Continuing the disassembly, I remove the top body cover and take a moment to mention subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell. My next task is to deal with 4 tightly secured bolts located at the 4 corners of the barrel. It takes some effort, but I manage to channel my inner Super Saiyan and loosen them. Then I unhook the choke from the carburetor arm and remove the 2 bolts securing the carburetor. I'm careful with the right one to avoid pinching the fuel pipe. There are 3 lines connected to the carburetor, one on the top, one on the right, and one on the bottom left. After disconnecting all 3, I rotate clockwise to detach it from the throttle wire. Continuing the disassembly process, I pry off the golden ring and the rubber gasket, allowing me to push the inlet pipe through the separator. With that, the barrel pops up, providing access to the piston head. The scoring on the carburetor side doesn't seem too deep, indicating a healthy two-stroke mixture was used. However, the scoring on the exhaust side appears more significant, likely due to overspeeding. Next, I use a pair of pliers to remove the two clips holding the piston pin in place, making it easy to slide the pin out. There are two washers on either side and a bearing in the middle. Finally, I check for any damage or loose shavings around the crankshaft, but everything looks good. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the second part of the repair process.